Good morning, students. Welcome to mathematics subject. We are going to learn 16 chapter surface, area and volume. Today, we are going to learn about the three-dimensional object about cylinder. Now, before starting with practice set 16.2, let's learn the concept of cylinder. Now, cylinder. What is cylinder? Cylinder is made up of three surfaces. Base surfaces are circular in shape. It also has a curved surface. Now student, see, I've shown a figure of cylinder. Can you see that it has three surfaces? 1, 2 and down one 3. Among these two are the base surface. These bases are in circular shape. And this is curved shape. So total you will have three surfaces in cylinder. Two are base, that is in circular form, top and bottom, and the lateral is curved surface. Okay. Now few example of cylinder. See, I've showed with an arrow, this is curved surface. Now few examples of cylinder are student: solid pipe, ball pen refills, road roller, coins, etc. These are few examples of cylinder. Now student, we are going to learn the formula based on cylinder. So you'll come across few formulas you have to learn, that is, if you want to find the area of the base, only area of the base, so which formula you will use, that is area of base surface equal to pi r square, because the base surface is circular in shape student. So you know the formula for the circle, that is circular shape circle, that is pi r square. Okay. Now student, next one, curved surface area of cylinder. If you want to find only curved surface area, so the formula is 2 pi RH. R is the radius, so you will take R radius, and H is the height of the cylinder. So the formula for curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Then total surface area of cylinder. If you want to find total surface, means including both the bases and the curved surface. So the formula is 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. I repeat, the formula for total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r in bracket we'll write down r plus h. That is, r is radius, h is height. Now fourth one, volume of cylinder. So to find volume of cylinder, the formula is pi r square h. Okay. Now based on these formulas, we are going to do our practice set 16.2. Now what is given in the first question student? In each example given below, radius of base of cylinder and its height are given. Then find the curved surface area and total surface area. So you have to find the curved surface area of cylinder and total surface area of the cylinder. So here in first, it is given r is equal to 7, means the radius of the base is given as 7, and h means height of the cylinder is given as 10 centimeter. So you will write solution. Radius r is equal to 7 centimeter, height h equal to 10 centimeter. Now to find curved surface area of cylinder, you will use the formula, that is curved surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi RH. Now in students, you know the value of pi you have learnt in your 7th standard, 6th standard. Okay, and in previous chapter in area also it was introduced. So pi value you can take 22 upon 7, or you can take 3.14. But student, when it is mentioned 3.14, then you have to take compulsory over there 3.14. Otherwise, you will take pi value as 22 upon 7. Now, curved surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi RH. So, we'll just substitute the values for the given things. Okay. So, that is equal to 2 into, now for pi I have taken 22 upon 7 into radius is 7. So, 7 into height is 10 given. So, I have just substituted the values. So, now student, you can see you can cancel this 7 and 7 over here. So, we'll cancel it. So, what you get 2 into 22 into 10. So, you can multiply 2 into 22 is 44 into 10 it will get 440. So, next step 2 into 22 into 10 remains. So, 2 into 22 44 into 10 you will get 440. Thus, unit will be square centimeter. As area it is, so the unit is in always in square units. So, square centimeter. Now, you have to also find total surface area. So, for finding total surface area, we'll use formula. Total surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r into in bracket r plus h. So, let's substitute the values. So, that is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 for pi 22 upon 7 into r 7 into in bracket r plus h. So, 7 plus 10. Okay, student. Now, again we'll cancel here 7 and 7. Okay. So, now next step you will multiply 2 into 22, that is 44 into you'll add these two numbers from the bracket, that's 7 plus 10 17. So, you'll get 44 into 17. Now, you'll multiply this 2 and you'll get the answer, that is 748 square centimeter. So, finally you'll write down. Therefore, curved surface area of cylinder is 440 square centimeter and total surface area of cylinder is 748 square centimeter. Okay, moving to the next one. Now, the radius given here is 1.4 centimeter and h height is given 2.1 centimeter. So, you'll write down in solution radius r equal to 1.4 centimeter and height h is equal to 2.1 centimeter. So you have to find curved surface area and total surface area. You'll have to do similar way which we did in previous sum. So we'll write down first formula. Curved surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r h. So here also student, I'll take the value for pi is 22 upon 7. So that is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into, so for value of r, that is radius, it is given 1.4. So I'll write 1.4 into h height is 2.1 centimeter, that is equal to, you'll write here into 2.1. Now student, we can simplify, 7 and 1.4 will cancel. So we'll cancel this. If you without decimal, if you think it is 14. So 7 2s are 14. Now it is decimal. So 7 1s are and it will become 0.2. So we'll cancel and it will become 0.2. Okay. Now student, now we'll multiply 2 into 22 into 0.2 into 2.1. So I'll multiply 2 into 22, it will become 44. So I'll write down 44, that is 2 into 22 into 0.2 into 21, 2.1, sorry, 2.1. So I'll multiply this 2 first, then 44 into 0.2 into 2.1. So now if I multiply 44 into 0.2, I'll get 8.8 into 2.1 as it is, then we'll multiply this 2. So your answer will be 18.48. After decimal, it is read as 48, not 48. You'll read as 18.48 square centimeter. Now student will find out total surface area. Now total surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r into bracket r plus h. So we'll substitute the values. So in 2, that is equal to 2 into, in place of pi you'll write down 22 upon 7. Then r value is 1.4. So into 1.4 bracket R is 1.4 plus height is 2.1. So we'll write 2.1 and close the bracket. Now student will cancel here also. 7 ones are 7 and it will become 0.2. Okay, now we'll multiply. So next step, that is I multiplied 2 into 22 student. So I multiplied here 2 into 22, I got 44 into 0.2. I wrote in as it is into 1.4 plus 2.1. So we'll get 3.5. Okay, now student I multiplied 44 into 0.2. So I got 8.8 into 3.5. Now you'll multiply this two, that is 8.8 into 3.5. So you will get answer as 30.80, because you can see after decimal here also one digit is there, here also one digit is there. So you will first multiply in your way, that is 88 into 35 as you do multiplication. Then your decimal points are there na, so after decimal point here in first one digit is there, in second also one digit. So you will place decimal point after two digit. So it will become 30.80. Okay student. So final answer will write down. Therefore, curved surface area of cylinder is 18.48 square centimeter and total surface area of cylinder is 30.80 square centimeter. Moving to the third one. Now in third sum, R, that is radius, is 2.5 centimeter and height given is 7 centimeter. So we'll start. Solution: radius R equal to 2.5 centimeter, height H equal to 7 centimeter. So curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. So I'll write formula, then I'll substitute the given values for radius as 2.5 and height 7 centimeter. So I'll substitute and write next step 2 into pi value 22 upon 7 into R 2.5 and H is 7. Now student, here also will denominator will get removed, that is 7 and 7 will cancel. So what you get, 2 into 22 into 2.5. So you'll multiply. So you'll get 2 into 22, student, you'll get 44 into 2.5, you'll get 110 square centimeter. Okay, now we'll find total surface area. So total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. Okay, so we'll substitute the value, that is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 place of pi, 22 upon 7 into radius is 2.5 in bracket 2.5 plus height is 7. Close the bracket. Now you cannot cancel this 7 and this 7, student. Don't do mistake of cancelling 7 and 7. No, it is in bracket, and can you see here the addition sign is there. So you cannot cancel. Only you can do when multiplication signs are introduced. Here first you have to add this and remove the bracket. Then only you can do. Okay, don't cancel 7 and 7. Okay, so let's first solve this. So you'll get 2 into 22, that is I've 22 I've written, and 2 into 2.5 I multiplied, that is 5 I get, and into 2.5 plus 7, student, 9.5 upon your denominator is a 7, so upon 7. So we'll multiply 2 into 5 into 9.5. So when you'll multiply, students, you will get 1045 upon 7. Okay, 1045 upon 7. Now you'll divide it by 7 and get the answer. That is equal to 149.285 square centimeter. So I have rounded up to 149.29. Here 8 is there, after 8 5 is there. So you'll round up to 29. So 149.29 square centimeter. So answer is, therefore curved surface area of cylinder is 110 square centimeter and total surface area of cylinder is 149.29 square centimeter. Okay, I hope you got this. Now student, in this fourth and fifth sum, you will do as homework. Okay. Now moving to the next question. Now in question number 2, what is given? Find the total surface area of closed cylindrical drum if its diameter is 50 centimeter and height is 45 centimeter. And student, in this question, the pi value given is 3.14. So you have to take pi value as 3.14. You will not take 22 upon 7 because here in the question it is mentioned. That is, you have to take pi value as 3.14. Okay. Now let's find out total surface area of cylinder. Now student, what is given? Diameter is given 50 centimeter and height is given 4 centimeter. But from diameter we'll find out the radius because we required radius to find the total surface area. Okay. So diameter of closed cylindrical drum equal to 50 centimeter. Therefore, radius r equal to diameter upon 2 because radius is half the diameter. So that is equal to 50 upon 2. So we'll get radius as 25 centimeter. Okay. Now height is given. That is height h equal to 45 centimeter. Now student will put the formula. That is total surface area of cylindrical drum equal to 2 pi r into bracket r plus h. So just I'll substitute, I'll write that is equal to 2 into, in place of pi you'll write 3.14. You'll not take 22 upon 7 because it is given in the question to take pi value as 3.14. So 2 into 3.14 into radius we got 25. So 25 into in bracket r plus h. So 25 plus 45. So next step you'll get 2 into 3.14 into 25 into 25 plus 40 student I have added and we got here into 70. Now we will multiply and get the answer. So student, when you'll multiply all the terms, so you'll get answer as 10,990 square centimeter. Okay. So final answer will write down. Therefore, total surface area of closed cylindrical drum is 10,990 square centimeter. Student, units are compulsory to write. If you don't write units, you'll lose your marks. Okay. Now moving to the next question, question number 3. Now what is given in this question, student? Find the area of base and radius of a cylinder if its curved surface area is 660 square centimeter and its height is 21 centimeter. Now student, here the curved surface area is given and height is given. We need to find area of base and radius of cylinder. Okay, and area of base, yes, area of base formula we have already in the starting I've explained. That is area of base means circular part, the down part. That is the formula is pi r square. But for that we need radius r. So first we have to find radius of the cylinder. Now given thing is curved surface area of cylinder, that is value is given and height is given. So we'll use this and find out radius. So solution, curved surface area of cylinder equal to 660 square centimeter, height equal to 21 centimeter. Therefore, curved surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi rh. The formula is 2 pi rh. So we'll write down first formula. Now in place of student, curved surface area of cylinder, already we have the value that is 660. So here we'll write down 660. So your next step will be therefore 660 then equal to 2 into pi value I have taken here 22 upon 7 into radius is not given. So r into height is 21 given. Yeah. So 21. I'll take. Now student, you can see here we can cancel the terms. So 7 ones are and 21 will go. So 7 threes are 21. So we'll cancel, simplify. Now what remains? That is 660 equal to 2 into 22 into r into 3. Okay. So next step, students, I've written therefore 660 into. I multiplied 2 into 22, that is 44 into 3 I wrote, then into r. Now I can find radius. This two terms will go to this one left hand side. It will divide. Yes, it will go to denote. So you can write therefore r equal to 660 upon 44 into 3. Now again we'll simplify this. So first let me cancel with 3. I can do. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Again 6 is there. 3 twos are 6 and 0 will come as it is. So you will get 220, 220. Now you can divide 44 and 220. So you know 44 ones are and 44 fives are 220. So it will become 5 over here. So you'll get student radius equal to 5 centimeter. So I have found out the radius of the cylinder. Now we can find area of the base. So therefore area of base of cylinder equal to pi r square. So we'll just substitute the values. Pi value 22 upon 7. So 22 upon 7 into radius r we got, that is 5. So r square is given. So student, you have to write 2 times r square na, so you have to write radius 5 into 5 twice. Okay, now we cannot simplify. 7 will not cancel here also, here also. So let's multiply 22 into 5 into 5. You'll get 550 upon 7. Now you can divide. So you will get the answer as 78.57 square centimeter. Okay, so you'll write down final. Therefore, radius of the cylinder is 5 centimeter and area of the base is 78.57 square centimeter. Is it clear? Now moving to the last sum of this exercise. That is question number 4. Now what is given, student? Find the area of sheet required to make a cylindrical container which is open at one side and whose diameter is 28 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. Find the approximate area of the sheet required to make a lid of height 2 centimeter for its container. Now here two questions are there. First, you have to find the area of sheet required to make a cylindrical container. See, I've shown a figure of cylindrical container which is open at one side. Can you see? It is open at one side. Okay, this is open. So, and whose diameter is 28, means the diameter is given 28 and height is 20. Okay, now we have to also find the approximate area of sheet required to make a lid. Means lid means upper cover to cover this cylindrical. So I've shown here, see, cylindrical container open at one side and I've showed a lid. This way lid. You have to find the area of the sheet required to make the lid and of a height 2 centimeter. The height of this lid, see, can you see the height? This one is 2 centimeter. So of the container. So now student, area means you have to find how much paper will be required. Now if you see, student, here cylindrical container open with one end, one side. So you cannot take total surface area formula because total surface area means both the bases plus curved surface. But here we need to, one is open end. So you will take curved surface area plus base area. Down it is packed na. So base area you have to take to find out the formula area of sheet required to make this cylindrical container. Now same way, you have to also find the area of the sheet required to make a lid. So your lid is given. So you can see the height of the lid is 2 centimeter given. So here also you have to use same formula because you will get curved surface area and the top part of the lid will be closed. So you have to take area of base because one end will be open na, then only it will cover. So you will take here also curved surface area plus area of base. You will not take total surface area. Okay, student. So we'll start. Solution, diameter of the container is equal to 28 centimeters. So this container, it is given diameter as 28. So from this we can find radius. So therefore radius r is equal to diameter upon 2, that is 28 upon 2, that is 14 centimeter. Now your student, height of this container is 20 centimeter given. Okay, so now we have to find the area of sheet required to make the container, that is equal to curved surface area plus area of the base of container. So you'll just put the formula, curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH plus area of base is pi r square. Now student, if you see 2 pi RH and pi r square, what is common from these two formulas? Pi is common and one radius also is common. Yes. So I have taken, in next I have removed common. That is, I have taken pi r bracket. Then what left from this first part? Pi r is taken common. So what remains? 2h. So in bracket 2h plus, already I have taken one, pi r common. So what remains? Only one radius. So r. So you'll remove common and write down that is equal to pi r in bracket 2h plus r. It will become easy to solve. So that is equal to 22 upon 7. So pi's value is 22 upon 7 into r value is 14. Radius we got here 14. Then bracket 2 into h value, that is 20. So 2 into 20 plus 14. Now we'll solve. Student, you can cancel this. That is 7 ones are and 7 twos are 14. Okay. Then therefore next step, 22 into 2 I multiplied, I wrote 44 into, now 2 into 20, can you see in bracket 2 into 20, it will become 40 plus 14. Now I'll solve, I'll add these numbers and remove the bracket. So I'll get 44 into 40 plus 14, I'll get 54. Okay. Now I'll multiply this two, so answer will come 2376 square centimeter. So the area of sheet required to make the container would be 2376 square centimeter. So yeah. Now next is find the approximate area of sheet required to make a lid. So we have to find area to find lid. Same formula we have to use, but student, your height will be, what is given? Height is 2 centimeter. For lid the height is 2 centimeter. Okay, we'll take and then start solving. So area of sheet required to make the lid of the container of height 2 centimeter equal to curved surface area plus area of base of lid. So formula will be same. Curved surface area is 2 pi r h, student, plus area of base is pi r square. So I'll take common, that is pi r, what remains, into 2h. In bracket you'll write down 2h plus r. Now here I'll substitute pi value as 22 upon 7. R value, radius will be the same because radius will be same for the lid and the container. So 14 in bracket, now 2h. Here height of the lid is 2. Okay. So you'll write down 2 into 2 plus r is 14. So radius you'll write down plus 14. Okay. We can simplify, student, here. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So you'll multiply 22 into 2. So you'll get 44 into. Now 2 twos are, what you'll get, student, in bracket 2 twos are 4 plus 14. Okay. Now you'll add this. So you'll get next step 44 into 4 plus 14, that is 18. You'll multiply and you'll get answer as 792 square centimeter. Okay, student. So finally you'll write down, therefore area of sheet required to make the container is 2376 square centimeter and approximate area of the sheet required to make a lid is 792 square centimeter. Okay, student, I hope you have understood. Please do complete your notebooks. All the thing is you have to learn the formulas. If you learn formulas properly, you'll able to solve the sums. Okay, thank you, students.